If you're struggling to find a medical director, you're not alone. A lot of our clients that come to us at Lingia Law don't yet have a medical director, but it's not a problem because we have a whole list of medical directors that we've compiled that are licensed in multiple states, and we can help you find a medical director if you need one. And you may want to know in your state, what does that mean and what's required? Because we are attorneys, we're able to advise you on exactly what's needed from a medical director on a per state basis. And it is pretty different. For example, there are some states that say your medical director has to be a board certified plastic surgeon or dermatologist, but that's not the common standard. And there are also some states that require that your medical director be an in-state resident, while other states don't have that requirement. There are states that talk about how many people a medical director can supervise. Some other states don't have that requirement. So here at Lingia, what we do is first, we want to understand what your specific goals are and what your vision for your practice is. Do you want a medical director that's going to give you some strategic guidance or be very hands-on? Maybe you want someone who's an expert in the field already. Some other clients may want a medical director that's going to really stay in their own lane, and the clients may be experts themselves in the field already. So, two very different types of clients, and we help find medical directors for both. Even if you already have your own medical director, that's great. We can put the contracts together between you and them. Each state has its own different requirements on what is needed in those contracts and how the legal entities have to be set up. You may have heard something called an MSO or MSA. That's required in some states, but not required in others. And then even in states where it's not required, there may be some advantages for setting that up, depending on how your practice is going to be structured in the future and what your goals are. Like if you're looking to sell to private equity or if you're looking to just continue running the practice yourself. So what we'll do is at the intake call, we'll talk about what your goals are and where you want to see your practice in 2, 3, 5 years. And based on that, we could help you find a medical director that'll fit your needs. So don't worry, even if you don't have a medical director, we'll help you find one and we'll make sure that your contracts are legally protected and you're set up in the way that you're supposed to for your state.